Ideas Cookbook Ideas. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to make triple chocolate chip cookies. So let's go and I'll show you how to make it. Okay, these are the ingredients. I have them all ready, laid out in front of me. I have 230 grams of cold butter, 160 grams of castor sugar, 160 grams of brown sugar, 450 grams of chocolate. I have mixed chocolate here. And I need 230 grams of self-rising flour, 200 grams of plain flour, 70 grams of cocoa powder, a teaspoon of salt, 1/4 of a teaspoon of bicarb soda. I have 3 eggs here. I have 1 big tablespoon of dulce de leche and 2 tablespoons of milk. Okay, I have chopped up my cold butter. Now I'm just going to put it in the stand mixer and mix it for about 30 seconds. I'm not creaming the butter, just mixing it to break it up. Then I'm going to add the sugar and then the choc chips. I'm adding the sugar, adding both of the sugars here, and I'm going to give it a quick little mix together. Just mixing it, not creaming it. Now I'm adding the choc chips and giving it a little combine. It added a little bit of sugar that I found cool. Righty, it's just looking like that. Okay, next is the flour. Next is the flour and the cocoa and the bicarb soda all in together, and I'm going to give that a mix around. Just till it's combined, that's about it. And to bring it all together, I'm adding the eggs, the milk and the caramel. In they go. And the caramel, in you go. Get in there. Come on. There you go. It's hanging on for dear life. There you go. In. Give it a mix. If you think it's too dry, you can always add a little bit of milk, but looks like it's all coming together now. There you go. All mixed together. Now I'm going to roll them in little balls, and then I'm going to put them in the freezer for 2 hours, or preferably overnight, and then put them in the oven. So there you go. It's all mixed together. I'm going to roll them in balls, and I'm going to weigh each one so they all weigh the same, and then I'm going to put them in the freezer for about 3 hours, preferably overnight. Okay, I've rolled out my balls. There you go. They each weigh 67 grams and some of them are 68. And I got 27 balls here. And I'm going to pop them in the freezer overnight, and then I'm going to cook them in the morning. And voila. Okay, the biscuits have been in the freezer overnight, and I've put them on trays, and I've given them room to move when they cook in the oven, because they will spread out a little bit, and I only took out what I need. So, and I've got my timer for 17 minutes and my oven at 170 degrees. So that's how long I'm putting them in the oven. In the oven they go. Start the timer. Okay, time is up. Ready to take the biscuits out of the oven. Okay, here they are. I'm going to let them cool, and then I'm going to taste one for you guys. How good do these babies look? Oh, delicious. Delicious. chip cookies. Yum! Oh. So there you go, guys. How easy was that? Alright, it's time to taste. So check out the cookie. Oh, delicious. Gooey and stuff inside. Yum. Delicious. Oh, so good. If you loved this video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time for another fun video. And I'll continue eating this. Yum. Go inside. Yum. Oh.